Before we get racing, let's take a look at today's Project 91 driver. LeVar Scott impressed in his rookie campaign in the ARCA Menards Series in 2024, finishing second in the standings to teammate Andres Perez. Scott has 26 top 10s in 33 starts, a promising start to his career. He was part of the insane finish at Elko in 2024, coming up just short of his first career win. Seeing his talent, Trackhouse has put him in the 91 for today's race to observe what he can do. Here they come. Chastain, Ty Dillon neck and neck for the lead. LeVar Scott trying to get his way in there. He spins, so does the 50. They both go up and over. BJ McLeod slams into the 50 and 91, flips them both over. In front of that, Ross Chastain is going to get another heat race win, but Ty Dillon and LeVar Scott go for a ride. Here they come. Zane Smith had it for a second, but here comes Kyle Busch. The 8 car spins everybody into the wall, including his teammate Austin Dillon, who backs it across for second, but it's Kyle Busch in the 8 getting the win. Here they come. Chris Buescher, a huge lead in the 17, clears MTJ, and everybody into the wall. Goes to 17 though, just barely gets it across before anybody else. Truex, LaJoy, Burton, all DNF behind him. Here they come. Chase Elliott nosed out to the lead in the 9. Daniel Hemric, a huge run in the 31. Everybody spinning behind him. He's the only one to keep it straight. Another 3-car DNF race, and Hemric takes it. Here they come. Briscoe trying to chase down Kyle Larson, but a huge lead. Chase Briscoe turns the 5 across the line, but roadblocks him and Allmendinger. Kyle Larson in the number 5 will take the win. Here they come. Blaney clears his teammates, but so does McDowell. They can't help him outlast the 34. It doesn't matter. He does it all on his own. 0.2 of a second. Logano looks to have flipped all on his own after hitting the wall. Weight shifted. There might have been contact with the 2 of Austin Cindric, but just barely, if that. Logano ends up on his lid. His teammate's gonna win. Here they come. Christopher Bell noses out to the lead in the 20. He spins across traffic, trying to anyway. It's Austin Hill who ends up spinning and beats Kamui Kobayashi for second, but in front of them, Bell's gonna get the win. Here they come. Bowman in the lead, needs a good finish here to get a transfer spot. He gets spun by Tyler Reddick, loses all his momentum. It's going to be real close between him and Carson Hocevar. Tyler Reddick going to get the win. Here they come. Bubba Wallace out to the lead in the 23. Can Kaz Grala avenge his terrible first round? He's spinning with Josh Berry and hits the wall. Gets second place, but that's probably not going to be enough. The 36 officially eliminated. Here they come. Josh Bilicki, Ty Gibbs, neck and neck. The 54, a huge run, and Bilicki, where did the speed go? Byron got by him. Stenhouse almost hit in the 47. What the hell? Here they come. Noah Gragson had the lead for a second, but SVG gets it in the 16. He spins right into the wall, gets pitched up by Ty Gilliland, and up and over goes the 16. Thomas wants a piece of him as well. Oh my goodness, Gragson 2-0 against the 38. who ends up flipping SVG, a stacked heat race, but Noah Gragson, the underdog, is going to get it done in the number 10. Here they come. Denny Hamlin out to the lead in the 11 car. Justin Haley turns the 11. They're spinning for the wall. Haley hits it. Hamlin misses it. It's not enough for the 51. Denny Hamlin will get the win once again. Here they come. All three of them neck and neck. Chastain holding his own. Blaney losing speed. He's going to hit the wall. Daniel Hemric wins it, but Ross Chastain was right there, only a quarter of a car length. Here they come. Chris Buescher out to the lead in the 17. Reddick trying to turn him. They're going to hit the wall. Buescher hits hard, and way up into the air goes the 17. Lands hard, and it looks like it's a dead heat between him and Tyler Reddick, the car that pitched him all the way over. Unbelievable. We're going to have to do it again. TV, why wasn't there a replay on that? It doesn't matter. Chris Buescher into the wall again, and again up into the air, but stays on all fours, and Reddick this time can't drive under him. The 17 moving on. Here they come. All three of them neck and neck. Larson, Gragson, Hamlin all spinning for the wall. Hamlin's going to hit first, and he's going to back across the line first. Gragson gets there as well, but not in time. The 11 moving on. Here they come. Christopher Bell out to the lead in the 20. Wallace and Gibbs trying to keep pace. Gibbs is going to hit the wall. Wallace doesn't have the speed. And Christopher Bell back into the semifinals. He brings the 20 into it once again. Here they come. Chris Buescher noses out to a bit of a lead on the 11. Could he beat him on speed? Yes, he does. Unbelievable. Denny Hamlin, who's been #1 all season, gets beat on speed by the 17. Here they come. Bell and Hemric neck and neck. Bell has the lead in the 20, but heading for the wall and losing momentum. Daniel Hemric takes it. He'll go to his second finale in 3 races. Bell going to the 3rd place match. Here they come. Denny Hamlin out to the lead over his teammate. He's become the podium warrior here. Another 3rd place for Denny Hamlin as Bell crashes behind him. JGR 2 cars in the top 4. Here they come. Buescher and Hemric for the win. Chris Buescher going for his first win since season 2. He's up 1 in round 1 as he beats the 31 who hits the wall behind him. Into round 2, can the 17 close the show? Daniel Hemric already has a win, already locked into the round of 12, and maybe that factors into it here as he looks like he's slower than usual, maybe letting Chris Buescher by. Chris Buescher, his first win of the season, his 4th of his career, and the first for the Fastenal car.